Welcome. Today, I'm going to guide you through the simple and updated steps to enable Vibrate for direct message notifications on the X app. If you want to feel your phone buzz every time you get a direct message, this tutorial is just for you. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is usually the gear icon found either on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're in settings, scroll down and tap on apps. This will take you to a list of all the installed applications on your device. Next, locate and select the X app from that list. Once you tap on it, you will see the app's specific options and settings. Now, look for and tap on notifications. Here is where we control how the app alerts you for different activities. Inside notifications, tap on notification categories. This menu breaks down the different types of notifications the X app can send, such as mentions, followers, and importantly, direct messages. Find and tap on direct messages. This will bring up settings specifically related to your direct message alerts. Finally, look for the toggle labeled Vibrate and switch it on. This will enable your phone to vibrate when you receive a direct message notification. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, going through your phone, settings, apps, notifications, notification categories, and then toggling Vibrate for direct messages, you'll never miss a buzz from the X app again. Enjoy staying connected with these tactile alerts that keep you in the loop effortlessly. Thank you for watching.